Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me. Here's a question for you all. Is it possible to wire your brain for financial success? And the answer is yes. But in order to achieve your goals, you have to be able to see it, feel it, and experience it on a visceral level. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a powerful meditation to connect with the version of you that experiences financial success. Let's begin. Sit comfortably in your seat, tall spine. Relax your forehead and jaw. Breathe in, breathe out. As you breathe in, roll your shoulders slowly up by your ears. And then, as you breathe out, allow the shoulders to soften back down. That's right. Breathe in again. Deep inhale, rolling the shoulders up by the ears. Drink in the breath, even more at the top. Then as you exhale, allow the shoulders to draw back down, soften, melt down the back. And last time, inhale, breathe in, shoulders roll up, and breathe out. Shoulders descending down the back, tall spine. Keep your breath steady throughout this process. Breathe in, long, steady, deep. Breathe out, letting all the air empty out of the lungs. Breathe in fresh inspiration. Drink in breath. Expand the lungs and back body. Keep lengthening your spine and breathe out. Relax in any stagnant energy as you exhale. Keep this breath circulating, steady, long, and deep. Add a slight smile to your lips. Eyes can be open but soft. The gaze is soft. A nice, relaxed focus. Allow each breath to become longer, slower, and deeper. And as you do that, you'll find that you become more and more relaxed. Thighs are parallel, feet hip distance apart, flat on the floor. Bring your attention to your feet. Press down gently on the floor until you are not sure if the floor is pushing up or your feet are pushing down. And keep pressing down and feeling the floor. Reach up towards your feet, making that down and up movement smaller and smaller until you really can't tell whether the floor is pushing up or your feet are pushing down. Breathe in, breathe out. Right now, we are working on connecting with a version of yourself that is experiencing financial abundance. This will not be difficult for you to do, and it will not take much time because you are already on your way. Breathe in, breathe out. There is power in the words you are hearing. And in time, your resistance will subside and your allowing will begin. As doubt is replaced with belief and vision, your abundance will become evident. Breathe in, breathe out. This meditation will shift your concern about money to eagerness and fun. When that emotional shift occurs, your vision can come into reality in present time. The path to financial abundance is, first, an emotional path. With each hearing of these words, you will breathe out more resistance, and your feelings about making money will improve. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in ease of well-being. Breathe out any resistance. Imagine that everything you are asking for is making its way to you. When you are able to accomplish this feeling of abundance before the evidence has shown itself to you, the evidence must come and will continue to come as long as you maintain the feeling of abundance. Breathe in, breathe out. Anytime you are feeling good, you are accomplishing the feeling of abundance. Each time you focus on these words, your resistance becomes smaller and your allowance becomes greater. I'm going to give you a sentence now that I want you to repeat to yourself. I'll repeat it again and again so you can pick it up and join me. So after you've heard these words, this sentence a few times, join me in repeating it again and again. It will soon become familiar to you. Breathe in, breathe out. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continual basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continual basis. Now, see in your mind's eye a version of you experiencing the financial success you would like to have. In order to achieve your goals, you have to have clarity about that vision. Step 1 is to get clear on the exact amount you want to earn, whether that's per week, per month, per year. Let's say you have a financial goal of making $100,000 a year. That's about $8,500 a month, or about $2,150 every week that you want to earn. Your number may be a fraction of that. Your number is not to be compared with anyone else's number. Your number is your number. Get clear on the exact amount you want to earn. It is important that you see that number in your mind's eye. Relax into the joyful knowing that you are in training to close the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Noticing how good it feels to relax into that knowing. Now, repeat after me. I am so happy and grateful for the fact that I am now earning. And say your number to yourself. Allow your voice to resonate from the inside out. Here we go again. I am so happy and grateful for the fact that I am now earning. Again. I am so happy and grateful for the fact that I am now earning. Say your number to yourself, the whole sentence with the number. I am so happy and grateful for the fact that I am now earning. Say that sentence 5 more times. Now, we are going to create an affirmation vision of you that belongs with your goal in that statement. Close your eyes now and see yourself receiving that money in the form of a check or cash or credit card payment. I want you to see that money going into your bank account. See the number as a positive line item on your bank statement. As you close your eyes and visualize that money coming into your account, what I also want you to do is visualize the impact that that money will have on your life, your lifestyle, your family's life, your community, or any cause that you wish to support. Get totally into a mental movie. Add the emotions, living the feelings as if it is already happening. Courage, tenacity, commitment, passion, service, joy, love, fulfillment. Locate 1 or 2 of these feelings inside yourself. Breathe in, breathe out. With the next breath, locate the feeling of joy and service within yourself. Allow those feelings to permeate every sound. Breathe in, breathe out. With this next breath, breathe in determination, knowing that other people's success means that success is possible for you too. With the corners of your mouth stretching into a smile, breathe in, breathe out. With this, it does your brain to see and feel that it is real right now. That activates the left prefrontal cortex, which is the genius side of your brain that can help you figure out how to bring this vision into reality. You are cognitively priming your brain for success. With each inhale and exhale, you may begin to observe the success that feel good and is getting easier all the time. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in ease of well-being. Breathe out any resistance. Allow yourself to feel good now about the success that is on its way to you. Anytime you are feeling good now, you are accomplishing the feeling of success. Turn up the dial on those feelings as if you had a volume dial. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, keeping these good feelings flowing, feel your feet on the floor, butt in your chair. Open your eyes if they were closed. Keep the smile on your lips. Take out a piece of paper and journal any thoughts, feelings, and actions that you are aware of. Practice this visualization every day. Decide when you will do so, and it will become automatic. Congratulations for all the success that is on its way to you right now. Thank you for joining me today, for taking this time for yourself. If you like this content, please subscribe, share, and forward to your friends. Thank you for joining me.